guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I like to do my brows. So if you like to see it, then please keep on watching.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be using my Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Black Brown. And this is like my favorite brow pencil because it has such a fine little tip where you could make like really nice brush strokes and really nice, you know, those hair like brush strokes to make it look like real hair, even though I already have a lot of hair. So let's get started. So I'm just going to comb through my brows first and make sure that all of my hairs are brushed up and out. And right now my brows are a little bit untamed. It's been about maybe 2 weeks since I've got my brows done, so I do have a little bit of hair growing out like right here and also like under here, but we gonna fix that with concealer. That's what concealer is for. So I like to start at the beginning of my brow and just start like right on the bottom. And you don't have to apply too much pressure with this pencil at all, which is one of the reasons why I love this so much. I'm just gonna follow the line and bring the tail out just a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go on the top of my brow, and I like to go like right, kind of almost in the middle, a little bit more towards the front first, and just fill that part in. You guys, my brow routine is very simple. It's nothing too complicated because I mostly just outline my brows since my brows are already full and thick. And so I'm going to work on the front of the brow. I'm only going to apply the tiniest amount of pressure because this pencil already is pigmented enough, so you don't want to apply too much product right here in the middle of the brow or else it'll look a little bit blocky. And then I'm just going to keep brushing it out, making sure that everything looks very nice and natural. I like to kind of go in between where I still see skin and fill those parts in too. And it's mostly like right here in like the middle of my brow where I see the most skin. And then I do like to create like the tiniest bit of hairs right here in the front. I kind of don't really need to do this step, but I like to make it look just a tiny bit more full right in here. And then just brush that out. And as you can see, it looks like there's a little bit of product missing here, but that's kind of the way I like to do my brows. I don't like to apply too much in the front because I don't want it to look blocky. So the next step is to carve them out with concealer. And for that, I'm going to be using this concealer from Milani. So what I like to do is put tiny dots right here under my brow. And then I like to take any kind of angled brush. And sometimes I do use like a flat brush like this. Actually, I'm going to use this flat brush. This is from the brand Alamar Cosmetics, and this is their just flat concealer brush. And so I'm going to make a line under here and then start right at the beginning and start carving out that brow. Whatever's left, I'm gonna blend down onto my lid. And then I'm just gonna take a tiny bit more of that same concealer and conceal the top of the brow. I'm just gonna go back and comb through my brows and make sure everything is nice and blended. And that's how I do my brows. That was very quick video. I mean, it's very standard. I don't do anything too crazy. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.